Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I'm going to explain you how to do 3-digit egg multiply 3-digit Vedic Math trick. It's very simple. Let me take a 3-digit example. 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 2, 1. Like this. So now I'm gonna do it. So first we will multiply this like we do in the traditional way. So it will be 3. Then I will do the crisscross method again. Like this here. And then this one. So it will be 2 multiplied 1 is 2. And 3 multiplied 2 is 6. So 2 plus 6 equals to 8. So in the answer, I'm going to write 8. Like that. And now I'm going to do this the whole. Now, I only did 2-digit crisscross. Now I'm going to do 3-digit crisscross. So it will be simple. I have this 2, 1 to 3, 3 to 1. And I've solved it this far. So now I'm gonna do this. First I'm gonna multiply 1 is 1. 3 multiply 3 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. But here there's 2 digits. So 2 multiply 2, 4. So it will be 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 14. So again 1 will be carried. So I'm going to write 4 here and 1 is carried. And here now I did this side crisscross. Now I'm going to do this side crisscross. So it will be very simple. I'm going to multiply 2 multiply 1, 2, 3 multiply 2, 6. 8, it will be 8. I'm going to write 8 here. And then 3 multiply 1. And also, here's 8. And then the 1 carry, which is here. I'm going to add 1 also. So it will be 9. So write 9 here. And then 3 multiply 1, it's simply 3. So the answer is 39,483. Simple. So now let me tell you the pattern. It's very simple. Here are the dots. Dots. Again, it will be this. I'm going to multiply this. And in the answer, something will come. Question mark. Then I'm going to do this crisscross like this. These dots. Then, and also it will be left to right. So, here I did this. So 2 numbers came. Like this, equals to a number. So I write it this number here. Then I did the 3 crisscross method. First, here are the 3 dots. Here, the most right bottom is this dot multiplied by the leftmost up dot. This dot and this dot will be multiplied. And then the leftmost down one dot here. And then the left and the rightmost up one multiply here. Like this. Like I did in here. Then in these, and then in this middle one is left. So a vertical. So these 2 dots will be multiplied. So here a number will come, and then here a multiplying, and here a number will come. Like this. And then we will add these three numbers. So another number will come. And I will add that number here. And if it's more than 9, we will take a carry. And 1 will be go up. Like that. And then here, again crisscross of these two. Like this. So two numbers will come. Then I will add those. A number will come and add here. Then a vertical one. And also in this crisscross, if there is a carry, it will be added also. Like that.